Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick video on Alibaba puts right now. So what I'm seeing is, remember last time in our put video, you see how the green line sort of broken past this black line? We sort of see on the daily too. I sort of wish that image wasn't there. So you see how it crossed and broke down below? That means it's just super overbought. Ideally, when this crossed, it always wants to hit the 20-day moving average. We have it on the 4 hour, so that's why I said 131.48 on the safe side, but ideally, uh, that's the red line we're trying to hit because it's oversaturated right here. You see how it broke right here? This create like a little support, so ideally the support's like right here for that one, so that's why that one didn't break down, but it did get pretty close to it. Um, so now we have one that's already broken down, and right now the support is all the way down on this red line right here. So if you like move over, so I knew this was a high resistance because right here you see how this orange line crossed that dotted line right here. That's indicating like a heavy resistance right there. Go to the 2 hour. So I see the 2 hour. Right when this purple line crossed that red and that purple line, that indicates its resistance. So that's why we have this trend line going on right here. It's still slightly risky, so I didn't really go too hard on to it, but yeah, so we're just going for a swing trade. Ideally, I want the price to make sure it stays below. What price is that? 136.61. So as long as the price stays below that, I'm sort of happy on the hour. There's this hour support line that's super low, like all the way down here, which is sort of crazy. But yeah, that's it. We have a trend line. Make sure it doesn't break above that. Make sure it stays below this blue line. And where did we get that blue line? We got that blue line from right here. So sort of see how it came above this red right here. That became its resistance right there. So that's how we got. So we have two resistance on the 4 hour. So that's sort of a good indication. I do want this hour right here to seep down a bit more, just for like a better verification. Uh, because normally once this cross, that's generally when we get these heavier downtrends. So yeah. So right now, didn't go too much on this one. So, but ideally throughout the whole day, I'm sort of gonna watch this 1 hour, make sure this cross and sort of breaks it, make sure it stays below that 136.61, and that's it. And that's what I'm gonna be watching. It's holding up pretty well, so we'll sort of see what happens. If it does stay above it, I might have to opt out, but we'll see.